Hello, I'm Michael, the drummer of Cymbolism. Thank you for watching our virtual concert. We're a three-piece band from Windsor and we love to play a wide variety of classic rock from Led Zeppelin to Queen. My younger brother Matthew is the lead singer and bass player of the band, and we met our guitar player Massimo in high school jazz band probably close to 5 years ago. We started Cymbolism in spring of 2019 and have had played at various music venues, celebrations, and weddings around Windsor, Essex, and Toronto. We also volunteer in music for fundraisers and charities. Currently, we're all at the University of Windsor, with myself being in my 4th year of chemistry, Massimo being in his 2nd year of engineering, and Matt being in his 2nd year of health and biomedical science. During this time, we composed a set of many classic Christmas songs as a band, including Jingle Bell Rock, Have a Holly Jolly Christmas, and Run Run Rudolph. We are also including a solo song from each person. If you would like to support us, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Cymbolism Band, and virtual tips can be sent through e-transfer to michaellee@kojiko.ca. Thank you and enjoy.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hunt has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go a-gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go a-gliding in a one-horse sleigh. And giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the Jingle Bell Rock. Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Ho, ho, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Oh, oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year. Ho, ho, the mistletoe hung where you can see. Somebody waits for you, kiss her once for me. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you didn't hear, oh by golly, have a holly jolly Christmas this year.
Beautiful. Run, run, Rudolph, take one.
You know he's the mastermind.
Dress up, trying to be good.
At the beginning there.
What?
Take three, boys.
Take three, say it to the camera.
Take three, run, Rudolph, run.
No,
Run, Rudolph.
Rudolph.
No.
sweetness, you're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'd take the seasick crocodile. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful socks. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous super nose. You're a crooked jerky jockey and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. Your soul is an appalling dump heap, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of rubbish imaginable. Mangled up and tangled up knots. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, skunk.
Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight with. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight. Merry Christmas, I don't want to fight tonight with you. Where is Santa at his sleigh? Tell me, why is it always this way? Where is Rudolph? Where is Blitzen, baby? Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. All the children are tucked in their beds. Sugar plum fairies dancing in their heads. Snowball fighting, it's so exciting, baby. I love you and you love me, and that's the way it's got to be. I love you from the darkness. Christmas ain't the time for breaking each other's heart. Where is Santa at his sleigh? Tell me, why is it always this way? Where is Rudolph? Where is Blitzen, baby? Merry Christmas, Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. All the children are tucked in their beds. Sugar plum fairies dancing in their heads. Snowball fighting, it's so exciting, baby. I love you and you love me, and that's the way it's got to be. I knew it from the start, 'cause Christmas ain't the time for breaking each other's heart. Merry Christmas, I don't wanna fight tonight with Merry Christmas. I don't wanna fight tonight with Merry Christmas. I don't wanna fight tonight with you. Hang all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah. Presents and cards are here, my world is filled with cheer and you this Christmas. And as I look around, your eyes outshine the time they do this Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah. Shake a hand now. The fireside is blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah. Shake a hand now. Hang all the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together this Christmas. The fireside is blazing bright, we're caroling through the night, and this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me, yeah. Shake a hand now, all over your legs. wish your brother Merry Christmas. I hear the sleigh bells rolling, it's coming round the bend. Then I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in COVID prison, and time keeps dragging on. But those sleigh bells keep moving on down the San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy and Rudolph he will come. But I got some news on TV about COVID in July. And when I hear those sleigh bells coming, I hang my head and cry. Bet there's rich folks eating in the fancy clubs and bars. They're probably drinking liquor and smoking big cigars. Well, they know they had it coming. They know they can't be free. But those people keep moving, and that's what tortures me. Well, if they free me from this prison, if that COVID could resign, I think I'd move Christmas a little farther down the line, far from COVID prison. That's what I think and say. But for now, that COVID prison seems to be here to stay.
Hi everyone, I'm Massimo Chiodo, the guitarist from Cymbolism. I hope you enjoyed our virtual Christmas concert. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Cymbolism Band for all our latest news and upcoming events. Is that the sound of tips I hear? That's right, we have a virtual tip jar set up through e-transfer at michaellee@cogeco.ca. That's MICHAELLEE@cogeco.ca. Thank you everyone and happy holidays.